A student forklift operator drives toward logs in a parking lot. Text: Wood Technology Center of Excellence, Northcentral Technical College, Antigo, Wisconsin.
Angle your forks down just a little more. That's good.
Student captures several logs with the fork.
Perfect. Now go ahead and close your grapple and rock it back.
He drives the forklift and logs into a wide indoor space.
I think this place is a dream come true.
A sign: Northcentral Technical College Sawmill.
To be able to come to a facility where you can dive into every aspect from tree to making finished products, it's truly unique.
A blade trims bark from a log at the mill.
There are other wood manufacturing programs, but none on the same scale that we have here.
Text: Logan Wells, Northcentral Technical College, Wood Science Program Director.
What's really cool about our program, and I would say the wood industry, is it's applied. So we're not just talking theory, it all combines together.
While operating the forklift, the student guides the logs onto mill machinery, where an automated blade scrapes the bark.
So you have to have that foundation in biology and understanding the science, but then also the real-world application, troubleshooting and manufacturing and making something.
Text: Zach Hackbarth, Northcentral Technical College, Wood Science, Associate Degree.
The most important thing for me is every time I sit in this cab, I kind of think I could be doing this for the next 40 years of my life. I actually find it very fun, and it means a lot to be able to learn that.
Logan Grease, Northcentral Technical College, Wood Science, Associate Degree.
I think it's amazing. I've always loved a lot of big, heavy machinery. I like working it, and so the fact that I can run everything in that sawmill, it gives you a lot of confidence. It's a lot of fun.
A milled beam glides over rollers on the mill.
You learn so much in there, all the controls. I think it's a $5 million sawmill. I'm very grateful for it.
Logan wears a hard hat with eye and ear protection as he stands beside a control panel at the mill.
For students to be able to learn in a safe place that is focused purely on the best practices and not worrying about production, it's a huge learning opportunity. And to see them develop their confidence to go from, wow, that's a big machine that I have no clue how to run, to then see a student that has full control over that, knows what buttons do what and how to operate this technically advanced equipment is really something special.
I think it brings great pride to both NTC and Antigo, Wisconsin, to have a program as extensive as this.
Forest to finished product. We go through how trees grow, all the way through those different steps and variables to making and selling a finished product.
Logo: Wisconsin Technical College System. Text: WTCsystem.edu.